This is a step-by-step procedure of how to add an image to the Redwood Help Center. So what are we going to do today? We're going to add these three different images here, the Golden Gate Bridge, the Bay Bridge, and a basketball court onto an actual Help Center page. And I made a test page right here that we're going to add it to. So for starters, I wanted to show you where we are. So I'm in the For Agents section of our Help Center. And then from here, this is where I created this little test page. But you would go to the actual page that you would want to add the image to. So from here, now that we are oriented in where we are, I'm actually going to scroll down to my Snippet folder. The way snippets are captured in Redwood is that they're all placed in a special folder called a snippet folder, and I named our snippet folder P2P DTP's Screenshots. So from here, what I'm doing next is I'm doing a double click, and I get the side menu, and it says Create, and I'm going to create an image snippet. So I click right here, then I just go to choose a file to upload, going to my desktop here, and for starters, we will go with the Golden Gate Bridge. So I select the file, click Open, it uploads the file, then I put a title into it, Golden Gate Bridge, like that. Then from here, you can keep it good. You can keep all the other settings the same. Then from here, I press Create. It's uploading the image into the system, and then it aligns like so. And so I'll decrease this side menu for a second, and as you can see, it's a big image right here. Now what you can do with images, you can scroll down in the settings and you can change the display width or height. So I wanted to bring it 100 by 100. Actually, that brings it down really small like that. Or I can go 200 by, say, 300. So yeah, you can play around with the image as much as you'd like. I think that might be about right, just like that. And then from there, you want to press Save. But before I press Save, I wanted to point out that all images are automatically going to be saved in a draft format. And the second thing you want to pay attention to is the snippet ID. So for now, I'm just going to press Save. That way it saves the image exactly the way I want it. And now, in order to publish the image, I'm going to go ahead and flip it to Approved. And then you have to save it again, like so. At this point in time, you want to grab the snippet ID. So I just highlighted this ID number, did a copy Apple C, and now I'm going to go up to my test page. It's a big folder here. Go up to my test page right here, and it is going to switch. So I'm going to go to where I want to insert the snippet. And then from here in the side menu, I'm going to search for the snippet. And from here, I'm doing a paste, Apple V in this case. Insert the snippet ID number, select Golden Gate Bridge, click Insert, and voila, you have a picture of the Golden Gate Bridge. And so from there, it's essentially like text. So I just clicked Enter, or I can actually go up to add a title to it. So enter down one. Actually cancel that. Go right here. Enter down one. Like so. Golden Gate Bridge. And now let's bring in the Bay Bridge. Like so. So hit Enter. Next, I'll go ahead and do the steps now. So I'm going to go back down to my snippet folder. Right here. Oh, excuse me, actually, before I do that, I want to save everything. And notice how Redwood will give you little warnings to make sure that you're sure about the steps you're going to be doing. So now I'm going back to my Screenshots folder, doing a double click, Create New, Image Snippet, going to upload the Bay Bridge now, like so, call it the Bay Bridge, name it, create, and it is created like so. I'm going to go ahead and copy that image ID. Go ahead and press approved. I like the shape of it and size. Again, you can play around with the display height and width if you wanted to. I'm just going to go ahead and click save for right now. Now I'm going to go back up to my test page here. Go down to the Bay Bridge, search for snippets, paste in the snippet ID, select it, insert it, and we have the Bay Bridge. Next, I'm actually clicking on the image, which is giving the option to edit the snippet, but in this case I don't want to do that. So I'm actually just scooting the mouse over, bring this thing down here. So just outside of the snippet, enter it down, and now I'm going to do the basketball court. Hit enter, save the page, save our work here. Now I'm going to go back down to my screenshots folder, a double mouse click, image snippets, choose a file to upload, the basketball court, open, Excel, name it, create, grab that image ID, go ahead and just go approved. Again, I can play with the sizing if I wanted to at a different time. Approved, save. While that's saving, I'm going to go ahead and scroll on up to my test page. This image is saved. Go back to my test page and basketball court. Search for snippets, paste in that snippet ID, select it, insert it. There it is. Bring this down, select save, and there we go. So now, in order to preview it, you can take a look at the image. Right here, actually preview just like that. And so this is what the test view would look like for the image, like so. And so that is how you insert an image snippet into Redwood.